Hello learners, bonjour aux apprenants and welcome to Learn French with Likiza. Today we will be learning about the usage of être and avoir, two of the most popular verbs in French. Être, which means to be in English, can either be used with a noun or an adjective. When using être with a noun, you can talk about profession, a place, or being in a place. For example, je suis médecin. I am a doctor. Or, elle est en France. She is in France. Or, c'est une maison. It's a house. When using être with an adjective, you are describing a noun. For example, elle est française. She is French. Or, c'est grand. It's large. Or, je suis fatigué. I am tired. Avoir, which means to have in English, has three different uses. The first one is when talking about possession or what you have. For example, j'ai un chien. I have a dog. Or, ils ont 3 enfants. They have 3 children. The second use is when talking about age. Unlike English where the verb to be is used, in French, avoir is used instead. For example, il a 46 ans. He is 46 years old. And the third use is when talking about physical state. For example, j'ai soif. I'm thirsty. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. J'ai froid. I'm feeling cold. Or j'ai chaud. I'm feeling hot. Sometimes the verb avoir is used in expressions where a different verb is used in English. For example, avoir besoin d'eau, which means to need. For example, j'ai besoin de savoir ce qui se passe. I need to know what's going on. Another example is avoir raison, to be right. Je pense que tu as raison. I think you are right. And another example, avoir envie de, which means to want to. For example, j'ai envie de voyager plus. I want to travel more. And finally, avoir tort, to be wrong. For example, elle a réalisé qu'elle avait tort. She realized that she was wrong. And that is how you use the verbs être and avoir in French. If you enjoyed the lesson, please hit the like button, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also ring the notification bell so that you're always notified of new videos as soon as I upload them. To support my channel and to also unlock exclusive posts that you'll not find elsewhere on my teaching platforms, become a patron today. Or you can also support my channel by buying me a coffee. All the relevant links are in the description box. A bientôt!